Flex Screen Media Brochure Banner Stand Installation Guide. Step 1. Assemble the frame. Remove the stand components from the carrying bag. Then remove the screws from the aluminum poles and keep them aside for later use. Start by connecting the tubes with the bungee cords inside. Next, connect the labeled tubes together according to the labels. Finally, attach the horizontal support bars to complete the frame. In just a few minutes, your display frame is fully assembled. Step 2. Install the graphic. Starting from the front of the frame, pull the graphic upward along the stand until it reaches the top. Secure the graphic by attaching the zipper at the top. Your graphic is now installed. Step 3. Install the iPad holder. Attach the iPad holder bracket to the display frame and secure it with the screws provided. Place your iPad into the holder, tighten the support bracket, and make sure everything is securely installed. Step 4. Install the TV mount. First, attach the TV mounting frame onto the display stand. Then, install the support brackets onto the back of the TV. Carefully place the TV onto the mount until it is securely attached. Route the TV cables through the back of the display for a clean and professional appearance. Step 5. Install the literature rack. Finally, attach the literature rack to the stand using the screws you removed earlier. Your Flex Screen Media Brochure banner stand is now fully assembled and ready to use.